Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I wanted to show you a quick video. This is from a company called AZN Optics. These are going to be some plate lights. And basically in the rear of the vehicle. It'll be for my 2017 Maserati Ghibli. It'll be some lights to change it from the halogen yellow to a white LED. And as you can see, the lights themselves cost $20, so basically just for the pair, where some on Amazon could be maybe about $10, $12 where you get 4, but with these, as you can tell, the chip is made well, it's error free, and so I felt more comfortable buying something from a reputable company rather than some cheap Chinese manufacturer. So I'm going to show you how to put these in and the difference it makes. So the rear of the car is pretty dirty, but besides that, as you can see as you look at the plate, the lights are a dull yellow, and then there's no real projection on the ground. So I'm going to trade these out and we'll see the difference it makes. So when doing this, you'll see right here, as well as on the opposite side, there's a little groove. Try to get it the best I can. Yeah, right there where the screwdriver is. So all you do is just put the screwdriver in there, push this way, and pull down. So you may be able to wedge the screwdriver in there, put some force behind it, and as you bend it down, this piece will pop out. Make sure to be real careful and take your time and not force it, because you don't want to crack this plastic piece here. And what I'm also going to do is lift up the trunk to make it level with me, make it easily accessible rather than just kind of bending down the way I am now trying to get it out. So you can see right here there's a little metal tab, and that's what you're actually pushing in on to be able to pull this down. There's not a whole lot of wiggle room here, but just enough to fit your fingers in, and you'll see the previous light, you'll see a side here, and then kind of a copper looking side here as well. So what you do is just kind of pry that apart, pull the light out, and set the new one in. So you can see just how big of a difference it makes. Look at this big old white bar on the ground now. And just the overall color looks way better. So I'll leave a link in the description to the product. And I was also going to say, if whenever you're doing the tabs, if it feels a little bit loose, go ahead and bend the tabs forward so whenever you push back, it actually holds the light a whole lot better. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video here, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.